Yo, what's going on? This boy Ben come back for another video. Today I'll show you how to unban your account on TikTok. The first thing, sometimes you like random video or comment in the random video that hurt you or skits you your account. Maybe you cannot do something in your account. If you need to fix that, go to me in the bottom and go to three dashes in the top and scroll down and look for under support. You have report the problem. Wait for a second, that's mean your internet connection, and go to account and profile and wait for a second. Go to manage account and go to hack it account and hit no and wait for a second. He give you the option of type in the problem you have. You can comment, I have my account is hacking. He do like automatically or comment automatically in the random post that make TikTok to unban your account in TikTok. That's the only way to fix that banning your account. I hope that video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.